a little Mainstays hugger from Walmart, but it doesn't have any blades on it. It does have the blade arms, but it doesn't have the blades on it. And it doesn't have a globe on it. And the blades are in the box, so I'll show you the box. It should be over here somewhere. Thought it was, but we still have the blades here. We can still do the fan. And pull the chain. This is my collection. Okay. So there's also another fan behind me over here. No, behind the door. Here is another one. So here. Okay guys, this is another fan. It's the seasoned one. You've seen this one before. This one also has no blades, but it does have the chains, which I don't know if I could pull them. By the way, these two fans are both my fans. I don't have them up on the ceiling, but they are still fans. I'm going to take the clip off, because I don't need that on, because they're not on the table. Okay. And then the logo is right here. Seasons. To cover the whole screen in it. Okay, so this is the fan. And the blades on this fan are on the box. I don't even see the box behind here. Still have the blades. Put them in the blade arms. And then I'll put them on soon, but probably not yet. Maybe after I make this video, I'll put them on. Okay. Probably gonna end it right now. So, bye.